that this invocation is so relevant even today, so many years after it was first written, shows the lastingness of Tagore. I will now invite the Secretary of CDPD, Professor Ishita Mukhopadhyay, the President of CDPD, Professor Sanjukta Dasgupta, along with our eminent guest of this evening, Shri Shomik Bandyopadhyay, to come on the dais. So we will begin the business end of this event, and for the first program I will invite our secretary, Professor Ishita Mukhopadhyay, to give the welcome speech.
Our esteemed speaker Shomik Bandyopadhyay, our President of CDPD, Professor Sanjukta Dasgupta, guests, our board members and friends, members of Colloquy, Development and Policy Dialogue. Welcome you all to the first offline program. This program is offline, but there is a recording and we will share today's program with others outside our fold in our website https://www.cdpdkolkata.org. So this is our website, and we are a 3-year child organization. We have dreams up to the sky, but we have taken small steps. CDPD, as you can understand from the word colloquy, development and policy dialogue, that our attempt is to make dialogue. Our attempt is to foster, facilitate debates, discussions, more discussions among not only academia, but also activists, but also who are neither academia nor activists, who is thinking of the process of development, cultural, social, political, economic landscape of our country and in the globe. So we are not restricted by any geographical boundary. Of course, we are working in Kolkata, in India, but our ideas and dialogue is not restricted to any geographical region. So our dreams are up to the sky. I repeat, we have taken small steps. We have been virtual, we have been doing webinars, we have been doing online discussions, we have debated among ourselves what should be the topic. And this is our first offline program, but you can see it's a small program in that sense. It's not a whole day program, it's not a big hall. We intend to make this program visible and accessible to as many as possible through our video recording. We also will we have an YouTube channel, so last time during the budget we had a panel discussion. We also used the YouTube for that. So as you can see, with this framework, we operate. Our members are not all from this city. Our members are from other cities. Our members are from other countries also. So it's not possible always to have physical offline meetings, face-to-face meetings. Now, what are we going to work on, and what are we? I think it should be made clear in this first offline presence. We will be working on whatever affects people. And what are our programs? What kind of programs we undertake? We not only do seminars, we will be doing workshops, we will be doing training programs for the youth. We will be working among the communities to build up capacities of youth so that they can participate in this dialogue. One of our emphasis areas is youth, and young people should be engaged. We want to engage with young people who will be engaged with us in this dialogue. So, as you can understand from our title, the name of our organization, Colloquy, Dialogue, Development and Policy pertains to life of people, quality of life of people in general. So our emphasis, our stress is on people, their lives, their dreams, their capabilities, and taking up their words to the policy makers, policies with respect to everything. We have combined literature, we have combined social sciences. So this is our other dream, that culture, literature, and policies are to be linked together. So with these words, I summarize our CDPD, and I welcome you all to this program, to this offline, which will be online, of course, after recording and video recording. It will be and will be shared among others. Thank you. I also welcome Shomik Bandyopadhyay for kindly accepting our request to be with us this evening. And thank you. Thank you all.